Hi, hello, welcome. This is Glowwyangel. Welcome to another tutorial. This is a tutorial on how to edit black hair and black eyes. Before we start, here's the color palette that you will be using in today's video. Make sure to screenshot that and insert on your ibispaintx. The only pens you'll be needing today is dip pen hard or dip pen soft. Input your character and we can get started. From the color palette that I've given you, color pick the beige color. It's also a good idea to use the mirror tool. At the side of the bangs of your hair, draw a load of squiggly lines, then in the middle, a triangle, and then in between those two triangles, a small squiggly line. If it needs any quick adjustments, just do that. Moving on to the eyes, go to the blur tool and blur the eyes, not a lot, just slightly. Make a new layer, turn the color to white. Do one highlight at the top of the eye, one highlight at the bottom. Turn your color to red, make a new layer on multiply and shade in the eyes. Do the same for the eyelids and turn the opacity down to at least 40 to 50%. Make another new layer, then for the nose do a triangle color. Make the color lighter than your skin color. For a more bold look, you can make the outlines of your skin darker. Lower the opacity of your pen and shade in the ears. For the mouth, do a sort of triangular line, then another triangular line, then connect them. Just try to make it look like a mouth. I'll be doing a separate tutorial for the mouths anyway, so stay tuned for that. Make a new layer, put it below the mouth, lower the opacity, then draw the lips. For extra detail, go back onto the hair, then draw a load of strings to make it have more volume, more fluff. And boom, we are done. And that is it for today's tutorial. If you liked it, don't forget to like. If you have any suggestions, comment and hopefully I'll get to you. Love you all, bye!